Now we see here multiple choice questions based on higher order derivatives. In a higher order derivative, there are two types. Number first, second order derivative, and number second, nth order derivative. Now first we see here multiple choice questions based on second order derivative. Now first example is, if y is equal to in bracket x minus 1 by x bracket square, then y2 equal to question mark. Then y2 is equal to question mark. y2 means d square y by dx square, second order derivative. Now we have to given options here. Number first option is 2 minus 6 upon x raised to 4. 2 minus 6 upon x raised to 4. Option B, 2 minus 3 upon x raised to 4. 2 minus 3 upon x raised to 4. Option C, 2 plus 6 upon x raised to 4. And last option D, 2 plus 3 upon x raised to 4. 2 plus 3 upon x raised to 4. Okay, now we have to find second order derivative by finding derivative of this function. Now first we simplify this function by using formula a minus b bracket square. Then we can write here y is equal to x square minus 2 into a into b plus b square, that is 1 by x bracket square. Okay, that is we can write here y is equal to x square minus x upon x get cancelled, remains only 2 plus 1 by x bracket square. Okay, now we have to find derivative. Differentiate this equation with respect to x. Differentiate with respect to x. Derivative of y1 or dy by dx. Derivative of x square 2x minus derivative of 2 0. Derivative of constant term is 0 plus. Now we have to find derivative of 1 by x bracket square. We can write this here, x raised to minus 2. Derivative of x raised to minus 2 is minus 2 into x raised to minus 2 minus 1. Okay, that is we get here y1 is equal to 2x, here minus into minus, here plus sign, plus into minus minus 2 into x raised to minus 3. Okay, but we have to find second order derivative y2. Therefore differentiate this equation again with respect to x. Differentiate with respect to x. Derivative of y1 y2 equal to derivative of 2x, 2 is constant term, derivative of x is 1 minus 2 into derivative of x raised to minus 3 is minus 3 into x raised to minus 4. Okay, that is we can write here y2 equal to 2, here minus into minus plus 3 into 2 6 plus 6 into x raised to minus 4. That is we can write here y2 equal to 2 plus 6, x raised to minus 4 can be write at denominator x raised to 4. That is we get here y2 equal to 2 plus 6 upon x raised to 4. This is the correct answer, and which is in option number C. Okay, this is our correct answer for this example. Okay, now we see next example here. Next example, if y equal to tan inverse x bracket square. Okay, then 1 plus x square, 1 plus x square bracket square, 1 plus x square bracket square into d square y by dx square, d square y by dx square plus 2x into 1 plus x square, 2x into 1 plus x square into dy by dx is equal to question mark. That is, what is value for this term? Okay, now we have to give one options here. Option number first, option A 0, option B y, option C 2, and option D is 1. Okay, now for that purpose we have to find the derivative for this equation. That is, we have to find double derivative for y is equal to tan inverse x bracket square. Okay, we can differentiate this equation with respect to x. Derivative of y is dy by dx equal to derivative of tan inverse x bracket square. This is composite function. Derivative of tan inverse of x bracket square is 2 into tan inverse x. Derivative of f of x raised to 2 into f of x raised to 2 minus 1 into derivative of f of x, derivative of dy by dx of tan inverse x. Okay, that is dy by dx is equal to 2 into tan inverse x upon derivative of tan inverse x is 1 plus 1 upon 1 plus x square. Okay, now value of tan inverse x is value of tan inverse x okay, we can write here 1 plus x square into dy by dx is equal to 2 into tan inverse x. Okay, now differentiate this equation again with respect to x. Here we can use product rule. First function as it is 1 plus x square into derivative of second function d square y by dx square plus second function dy by dx as it is into derivative of 1 plus x square, derivative of 1 0, derivative of x square 2x equal to 2 into derivative of tan inverse x. Derivative of tan inverse x is 1 upon 1 plus x square, 1 upon 1 plus x square. Okay, now we can write this. Take this 1 plus x square to the LHS. Then we can write 1 plus x square into this 1 plus x square, that is 1 plus x square bracket square into d square y by dx square plus 2x into dy by dx and into this term 1 plus x square, 2x into 1 plus x square into dy by dx equal to remains 2. Okay, therefore the value for this term 1 plus x square bracket square d square y by dx square plus 2x into 1 plus x square into dy by dx equal to 2. That is, value for this term is 2. Therefore our correct answer is again option number C, option third. Okay, now we see next example here. Next example, if y equal to y is equal to a into x raised to n plus 1, a into x raised to n plus 1 plus b into x raised to minus n plus b into x raised to minus n, then value for x square into d square y by dx square, x square into d square y by dx square is equal to question mark. Okay, now we have to give one options here. First option A is n into n minus 1 into y. Option B n into n plus 1 into y. Option C n into y, and option D is n square y. Okay, Now we have to find correct answer here. Now for that purpose we have to differentiate this equation with respect to two times. Now first we can take derivative here. Differentiate this equation with respect to x. Derivative of y is dy by dx is equal to a as it is derivative of x raised to n plus 1. By using formula, derivative of x raised to n is equal to n into x raised to n minus 1. Therefore we can write here n plus 1 into x raised to n plus 1 minus 1, okay, plus b into minus n into derivative of x raised to minus n means minus n into x raised to minus n minus 1. Okay, this is first derivative. Now we can write here dy by dx is equal to a into n plus 1 into x raised to n plus b into minus n into x raised to minus into n plus 1. Okay, now differentiate this again with respect to x. Derivative of dy by dx, d square y by dx square is equal to a into n plus 1 into derivative of x raised to n into x raised to n minus 1 plus b into minus n into minus n plus 1 into derivative of x raised to minus n plus 1 is minus n plus 1 into x raised to minus in bracket n plus 1 minus 1. Okay, that is we can write here d square y by dx square is equal to n into n plus 1 into a into x raised to n minus 1, okay, plus a minus into minus plus n into n plus 1 into b into here plus 1 minus 1 cancel, remains only x raised to minus n. Sorry, x raised to, here we can write minus 1 n minus 2 minus n minus, here term is minus n minus 1, we can write here minus n minus 1. Therefore we get here derivative x raised to n minus 1 means minus n minus 2. Okay, now we can take here n into n plus 1 common from these two terms, n into n plus 1 into in bracket a into x raised to n minus 1 plus here b into x raised to n minus 2. Okay, but we have to find value for x square into d square y by dx square. Okay, therefore multiply this equation on both sides by x square. Therefore we can write here x square into d square y by dx square is equal to n into n plus 1 common in bracket. If we multiply by this x raised to n minus 1 into x raised to 2, we can write here a into x raised to n minus 1 into x raised to 2 plus b into x raised to minus n minus 2 into x raised to 2. Okay, that is x square into d square y by dx square is equal to n into n plus 1 as it is into in bracket. Here base is equal x, take addition at the index, n minus 1 plus 2 means x raised to n plus 1, a into x raised to n minus 1 plus 2 means plus 1 plus b into x raised to minus n minus 2 plus 2 remains only minus n. Now value for this bracket a into x raised to n plus 1 plus b into x raised to minus n is equal to y. Now put this value here n into n plus 1 into y. This is the correct answer. Now this answer is in option number B. Our correct answer is n into n plus 1 into y. Okay.